let's take a step back and look at one of the wildest plans during the time of man. Divine order is introduced by he who is timeless, only for the first to introduce sin to a perfect world. Order, as it is intended, is gone. Temporary fixes such as sacrifices must suffice until the time comes where our white knight rides in. But he's not delivered to us on a white horse, well, not yet at least. For he enters into our story via the birth of a virgin. Conception so immaculate, it calls for this prince to be born to the finest palace, but instead, he is born to the lowest of places. Bread of life using a feeding trough for farm animals as refuge. A perfect display of the range of his reign, being able to reach down to every person, high or low, after all, that is the goal. And yeah, we all know how the rest of the story goes, but we'd be remiss if we forget or ignore the oxymoron that took place. The Savior of the world was given to us in a manger.
Good night.
Okay.
Time for me. Take a photo.